Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashim. This is workout video. I did 425 for 2, 455 for 2, and then I did 4 sets of 2 reps with 475. I have mixed feelings about this workout. This is the first set with 425. There's no pain during the warm-ups, no pain at all till I got to 475, and that too the second last set. So set number 3 there was a little bit of pain. Set number 4 there was a lot of pain, so that's when I decided to quit. Thankfully I have Eric, who tells me that hey, you're pushing it beyond a certain point and it's not acceptable, so stop. So I'm doing that. I'm not sure when this lower back pain is going to go away. I think we're going to have to reassess my training a little bit. It's got it. This whole week has been good though. There was no pain during this week. In that sense, the pain has regressed a lot. But there's this small point of pain in my lower back. It's more towards my waist than my spine, and it's annoying. Like, it makes you want to scratch at it. It's one of those things just below the surface, but when I touch the surface there's no pain. So if I palpate the area or anything like that, there's no active pain that I feel. This is 475, second set. It felt good again. The bar speed is a little slow off the floor because I'm a little cautious. So you get hypersensitive to these to that pain. So I almost expect it, and then I sort of inherently, I purposefully slow it down, and that's not too good. But hey, it's I'm still able to get all the reps. So that's that. I got a total of 12 reps this week. The last week was the deload workout where I got 505 for 2. The workout before that, I did 14 reps in total within the same weight range. But the over average weight lifted for my work sets, and I count my first work set from 425. The average weight lifted is a little more. Last week it was around 455, 460, 456. This week it's 463. So in that sense there was an improvement. Next week I'm debating on what to do. I have to speak to Eric about my future. See, this is the set that there's pain, and it's right from the get go. And as you guys, if you notice carefully during the lockout, it wasn't equal. And when this happens, it really messes me up. So second rep was very had much less pain, but because the first rep already triggered so much pain, the second rep was also painful. The pain starts right at the bottom, just as I pop off the floor. It starts and then it goes away once I cross my knees. So it's a sharp pain and then it goes away. Next week I think what I will do is I might have to put deadlifts on maintenance. So I'm gonna have to I'll probably work up to maybe 495 or 475. I'm not. This is a tentative plan. It's not written in stone. I have to speak to Eric, and we'll have to see how this week goes. I will work up to 475 or 495 for a single, and then I want to do a bunch of volume work with 425. So I want to drop from 495 or 475 all the way down to 425. Do a couple of sets, or maybe 3 or 4 sets of 4 reps or 5 reps with 425, and build from there. So I'm not sure what will happen, but I think over the next few weeks I think it's time to be even more conservative, because right now it's just I'm moving laterally on this. I'm not progressing in the way that I want to. And then as far as the rest of the week goes, training will be normal. I've changed my workout routine a little bit. I've merged my Wednesday and Sunday workouts. So tomorrow I've weighted pull-ups and heavy dumbbell rows. I'm not sure how my lower back is going to handle it, so I'm probably going to be conservative on the dumbbell rows tomorrow. Let's see. It all depends on pain feedback. But I'm really grateful that I have Eric to tell me when to stop, because I have this, when you get I'm not obsessed with my deadlifts, but when you're in this situation where you're unhappy and things aren't going as you want them to go. Oh wait, before I continue, I'm gonna wobble out with 420 with 305. Look at that. This was dangerous. I lost balance. The bar drifted away from me when I started picking it up, and I started walking forward. That was crazy. So as I was saying, I'm setting the bar over there. Like I was saying, when I'm down like this and there's pain, then I start getting desperate, and when you're desperate, you start doing stupid things. So I gotta stop being desperate. And despite all of this pain, I still got 505 for 2, which means that my maximal end strength is still okay. It's just that I want to be pain free. So the way to do it, and the only movement in which there's pain is deadlifts. So we're gonna work on it bit by bit. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching, guys. I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you very much.